10 News at 5 starts right now.
That may be their purpose, but that happens to be 100% in violation of the United States Constitution.
More than a dozen men busted in an undercover online sex sting. But a local attorney is blowing the whistle on what happened after those men were put behind bars. Good evening, I'm Courtney Robinson.
And I'm Jenny Dean. Dion has the night off. Now, you know your Miranda rights, you have the right to remain silent, right to an attorney, and so on. A Sarasota County attorney says that didn't happen for 13 men arrested in a sex sting. 10 News reporter Jennifer Titus is digging deeper to find out exactly what happened after the cuffs were on and the men were booked.
And we arrested 13 individuals.
Sarasota County Sheriff Tom Knight has no problem stepping in front of the news cameras talking about an undercover online sting that netted 13 men behind bars.
That we're very serious about protecting our children in Sarasota County.
But defense attorney Peter Aiken says he has a problem with what happened once these guys were locked up.
In this latest sting, they held these people for up to 96 hours without a phone call to an attorney.
Aiken claims 7 of the men have spoken with him, claiming that when they asked to make a call, they were told the phone was not working.
I know exactly why they're doing it. They're running the sting. They don't want the word out. But you can't just say, all right, because that's the way we want to operate, we're going to dispense with the Sixth Amendment right to counsel.
They were not given their rights. They were not given an attorney. They were not given a phone call.
That's all right. No, that's fine. They were afforded their opportunities, and that's something that will play out in court.
An email from the sheriff's office says that while the suspects were given the opportunity to use a phone at the time of booking, general phone privileges were limited due to the active criminal investigation. However, if requested, inmates were still granted access to contact their attorneys and bondsmen.
If it comes to fruition that it's true that these rules were not followed, what does this mean for the entire sting?
It isn't going to blow the sting, okay? What it means is that these people didn't get a bond hearing. In other words, in terms of getting the court to enforce it, what will probably happen, as it did last time, was sort of like no harm, no foul, because, well, we didn't really do anything, but it's not right.
In Sarasota County, Jennifer Titus, 10 News, WTSP.
If one of the suspects would have confessed, and it was proven that the sheriff's office did not grant him his constitutional rights, the case could be thrown out, wasting a lot of money on a sting that the sheriff admits is expensive.